Good morning. Today we will discuss geometric progression. According to the definition, a sequence is said to be a geometric progression if the ratio of any term to its preceding term is same throughout. This constant factor is called the common ratio. For example, we have two sequences. Sequence first, elements are 2, 4, 8, 16 up to so on. Second sequence we have 1/9 minus 1/27, 1/81 minus 1/243 and so on. According to the definition, it is given that the ratio of any term to its preceding term is same throughout. Now we will discuss how we can say these two sequences in GP. First sequence, first element, this is first element 2, second, third and fourth. We have to divide second term by preceding term. According to the definition, preceding term, any term, the ratio of any term to its preceding term is same. So in the given sequence, we have second term as 4 and before second term we have 2 as first term. Now I will divide 4 means second term by preceding term 2 equal to ratio is 2. 8 is third term divided by preceding term 4 equal to 2. Similarly, we can divide 16 by preceding term 8 equal to 2. Now these ratio is same. You can say this is R, means common ratio. We can write here common ratio. This is common ratio. Similarly, we can find the common ratio of next sequence. Second term of given sequence, we have minus 1/27. We have to divide second term by preceding the term. We can divide minus 127 by 1/9 equal to minus 1/3. If we have to find out next term of the given series, suppose that we have to find out next term of this series and this, we can multiply by common ratio to the last term. Last term is 16 and common ratio is 2. 16 into 2, 32. Similarly, in this sequence, we can multiply by minus 3. Minus 1/243 multiplied by minus 1/3, we have plus 1/729 and so on. Listen again. According to the definition, a sequence is said to be a geometric progression if the ratio of any term to its preceding term is the same throughout. This constant factor is called the common ratio. For example, we have a sequence whose elements are 2, 4, 8, 16. If I will divide second term by first term, ratio is 2. Third term divided by preceding term 4, common ratio is 2. Next term divided by the preceding term 8, common ratio is 2. Similarly, we can do in next series. To find the next term of given geometric progression, we can multiply by common ratio to the last term to find next term. Suppose that we have find out next term here. Without using any formula we can find. Last term is 32. Now multiply by common ratio. This is common ratio 2. We can write here 64. To find next term, again multiply by 2. 2 is as common ratio and 64 is the sixth term of given GP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To find 7 term, we can multiply by 2 to find the 7th term. Now we will discuss more series of. Now we will discuss general term of a GP, means geometric progression. Let A1, A2, A3 up to An be the given GP. Then A1 as a first term, we can write here A equal to A1. First term is A1, we can write here A into R power 0. R power 0 means 1 and R power 0 we can write 1 minus 1, where R is the common ratio of the given GP. We know that if we have divided second term by first term, we can find common ratio. R equal to A2 upon A1. Common ratio we can find A2 equal to A1 into R. A1 means first term, we can substitute A1 equal to A. A into R. R power 1. We can write here 2 minus 1. To find next term, we can divide again third term by second term. To find common ratio, A3 by A2 implies that A3 equal to A2R. A2 equal to, we have A2 equal to A into R. We can write here in the place of A2 A into R into R. This is the value of A2. A2 equal to A into R. A1 equal to A we have used. So we can write here A into R square. R square can be written in the form of A into R power 3 minus 1. Similarly, we can find more common ratios. Last common ratio we can find A power 4 upon A4 upon A3, means fourth term divided by third term equal to A4 into A3 R. Value of A3 we have A into R square. This is value of A3, A into R square. We can substitute here A into R square in bracket into R. Implies that A R cube, we can write here fourth term of given GP A R cube equal to A R power 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Similarly, we can find more terms. For nth term, we can write A into, where 4 is the number of term. In place of number of term, we can use n minus 1. We can find nth term of an GP using this method. Listen again. Let A1, A2, A3 up to An be the given GP. Then first term of given GP equal to A1. A1 equal to A. We can write here R power 0. R power 0 value is 1. R power 0 we can write R power 1 minus 1. To find common ratio, where R is the common ratio of given GP, to find common ratio we have to divide second term by first term. We are doing same. A2 divided by A1. Then value of A2, A1 into R. A1 equal to A. We can substitute. R power 1, we can write R power 2 minus 1. Similarly, we can find more terms. Up to n terms, we can write here A into R power n minus 1. Because if I will put here n equal to 1, we will get first term, n equal to 2, second term, or n equal to 3. We can find. Now this is called, we can denote this formula Tn equal to a power n minus 1 or an equal to a power n minus 1. This formula known as general term of a GP. Now we will discuss how we can find the ninth term of given GP. This is a GP whose first term is 1, second term 4, third term 16 and fourth term 64. So we have first term 1, common ratio we can find second term divided by 1, 4 divided by 1 equal to 4. We know that nth term of GP is A into R power n minus 1. This is the formula to find nth term. We have to find out ninth term. So we can put here A equal to 9. A9 equal to A into R power 9 minus 1. To find nth term, we have to calculate A into R power 8. A9 equal to value of A 1, value of R 4, 4 power 8. We have 9 term of given GP. 9 term of given GP is 4 power 8. No need to calculate what will be the value. Only we can write here 9 term of given GP is 4 power 8. Suppose that we have a GP whose terms are given. First of all, find first term and common ratio. We can find common ratio, divide it by preceding term of a next term. Suppose the second term we have 4, we can divide by preceding term 1. Similarly, we can find last term by preceding term 16. Common ratio we have 4. Nth formula to find general term an equal to A into R power n minus 1. Now we can substitute here A equal to 1 and R equal to 4. A9 means 9th term of this GP is 4 power 8. Now we can find 100 term or 1000 term using nth formula for general progression or geometric progression.